it's freedom,
it's beyond
guys.
their control.
It's beyond their control. They can't do anything to it. So
Yes.
that it really upsets them. So I think it will not be accepted anytime. Find it very difficult to grow. Yeah, since
Hi guys, welcome to our channel,
Silver Fanatic. Okay guys, today's video, let's just have a conversation, guys. Let's talk, guys.
CBDC.
Yeah, time, food,
great reset.
Yeah, food shortage, great reset, loans and farms, guys. Let's talk about all those things. What they mean to us as stakers, as future, guys. As preppers and all of the above. Let's talk about all those things. We'll start with the CBDs, but I wanted to start with the Great Reset. No, let's end with it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll start with the food shortage.
Nice.
CBDC, guys. Let's start it. Let's hold the bull by its horn.
Yeah.
CBDC.
Yeah.
Let's start with the CBDC,
it's
guys.
Coming.
I think it is coming. Rumors that China is about to start the CBDC. Soon.
Yeah.
Soon China will implement its CBDC.
I think they want to check what accounts we have, what transaction we have.
They want to control us, guys. CBDC, it's only about controlling financially.
Yes.
We're not financially advisors, guys.
We're analyzing.
We're just having a conversation here. Yeah, CBDC is just basically trying to
check
to control you, on what you do. They will know everything that you do. Once CBDC is implemented, they will know everything. Even if you buy a sweet, they will know that you have bought a sweet in a certain place.
Yes.
And
if you owe tax, they will take it whenever they want.
Yes, if you owe tax, they will just go into your account and just take it there.
And freeze it if they want to freeze your account.
Yeah, they will freeze your account if they find that you're doing something against that you are supposed to be doing.
Yes.
They will just freeze your account and then not let you access it.
And I don't think they do like other cryptos, because cryptos you can't control.
Yeah,
you can take it anyway.
Yeah, CBDC really don't like Bitcoin especially. Yeah, Bitcoin it's freedom basically. They don't know how to control Bitcoin, so they are against it.
Yeah.
Because the reason they are against it, it's because they really find it difficult. Don't mind me when I hold these coins, because they are revealing, guys. I hope you see it. I'll show it properly. Yeah, that's the 1 ounce. That was a 2 ounce. Okay, so yeah, they don't like Bitcoin because it's freedom, guys. It's beyond their control. They can't do anything to it. So it really upsets them. So they want to end it. So so
time.
I think let's move on now with time.
Do we have time?
No, we don't have time.
We have experienced it.
We really did experience that. So that is why we say we don't have time. If you think you still have time, guys, think again.
Yeah.
Please just think again. Try and prep as if it's like there's no tomorrow.
Exactly.
Yeah, just prep
Prepping
like there's no tomorrow.
Different ways. Some are prepping through silver and gold.
Yes.
Some are prepping with food.
Yes, food.
Whatever you want to prep with.
As we've shown on our previous video, that's how we found that most things are important, because we considered money as not important. We considered food as not important. Those things will play a major role.
Just do all.
Yeah, just do all.
Yes.
Just really do all, because they will really play a major role. We really experienced that.
Change with the blink of an eye.
Just the blink of an eye. We really experienced that in a few weeks last week.
It only took 1 week.
Yeah, we really did experience that change. If you still say, I know I got time, I'll do this some other time.
Yes.
Think again, please. We don't have time. We really don't have time, as we've mentioned that rumors is that China is going to implement CBDC when everybody doesn't know, but it's around the corner.
So
it's around the corner. It's on the cards.
Can happen in a blink of an eye.
In a blink of an eye. So time, guys, it's not on our side.
No.
Let's stack as much as we can.
Even with silver, we don't know how long we'll be allowed to buy silver like this.
Yes, because the shortage of silver, guys, it's on the cards as well.
So you can't say I'm not staking silver. I will stop staking silver. You don't know.
You really don't know. You really don't know, because the demand of silver it's very high.
Exactly.
And we all know that once the demand is high, prices they skyrocket. Once the demand is high, the prices will skyrocket. So silver demand is very high, guys. Many people are getting into staking. So that causes
I think also the Cash and Coin did read the statement that the demand is high, but the supplier is low.
Yeah,
something like that.
Yeah, I think they said America.
They sent the email.
They sent an email regarding Cash and Coins.
Cash and Coin.
Yeah, I mentioned that they sent an email stating that they are running short on silver.
Exactly.
So if people that control the silver, that they are producing the ASEs and all that, admitting that they are running short. So that basically would just tell you automatically that there is no time. We don't have time. Guys, please stack as much as you can and as quick as possible.
Exactly.
If we are a new staker like us, I still consider it as new staker, because a year in staking, it's nothing. It's not much. Yes, guys. So just stack as much as you can.
Exactly.
Yes, guys. Okay. Yeah, the Great Reset, guys. Let me go to that. Let me go to that. Let me start with the farmers, guys. Because this thing
it's connected to
it's
food.
Connected with food, guys. I've seen a lot of people buying farms, especially the rich. They're buying farms like crazy. They're owning most of the farms.
Why?
They're owning most of the farms. Yes, that's a good question. Why? Why are they buying the farms?
The richer.
Just all of a sudden, they find the farms fascinating all of a sudden, because they've been around for quite some time, but recently now they're finding that farms are so attractive.
They
not stock anymore. They're not buying stock and all that. They're going for the farms. Why?
It's all about control, since we're facing the climate change. So
I think so. I think, because I even laughed, because they said that cows are the main factor that are causing this climate change and all that. I said, because they said they burp and they fart, and they said, and I said, how a cow fart can kill us all, because that's basically what they mean, because they say they're gonna cut beef and we're gonna be on a strict diet of eating plants like animals. So if you love beef, guys, stock as much as you can. If you feel that you will not survive eating grass, eating grass like eating grass like this cow. If you feel you will not survive, stock as much beef as you can. Just stock that beef, guys.
The Great Reset is coming.
Great Reset, everybody knows. We did a video about that one. The Great Reset. Explaining the Great Resets. But I think here in South Africa, I think they fast-tracked it with what has just happened
last week.
I think it was just fast-tracked, so I think we're going to experience it very soon. I think so.
Because we recently, when we were going to buy food, they were like in the shops, they don't like cash.
They were not accepting cash. Yes, recently on the incident that just happened, we did a video about it. I think last week.
We're gonna leave the link
on the to that video. Yes, we did that video where we telling the experience that we are facing at the moment at this time. Yes, when we like time, it was time when shops were reopened and all that. They did not wanted to accept cash. They said they were not taking cash. What does that tell you? What does that tell you? That Great Reset, it's really here.
Exactly.
It's really here. Cash, I think it will not be accepted anytime. Because in China already, guys, like when they visit China and it's time to go back to their own countries, they even forget their wallets. Because in China, they used to pay with this Apple Pay phones. They pay with phones all the time. So whenever they go back to their origin countries, they forget their wallets, and because they don't need them anymore. Because in China, they just use a phone, pay with the phone all the time. So
times are changing.
Times are really changing, guys. If you are not aware, silver and gold, it's important, guys. Don't be mistaken with these ones. I'll just put them there.
They might not seem to be important now.
Okay, I'm saying don't get mistaken. These are 110. These are not 1 ounces. So don't think we are at that level.
That's why we said you are still new stakers.
Yeah, these are 110. Not 1 ounces.
Yes.
Yeah, these are other ones. These are the ones. So just 110s, guys. So yeah, we're talking about China. Yes, that we pay with the Apple Pay.
Exactly.
Yeah. And rumors, guys, about the banks. Rumors are that banks will stop giving out loans.
The question why?
Yes, they said they will stop giving out loans, and I was really puzzled about that. Why?
Why?
That they will stop giving out loans and send the money back to the Feds. So, because the thing I know about the banks is that they will push for loans. They will push for you to get in debt. So when they denying you to be in debt, I found it really puzzling. I was really shocked and amazed that they will stop giving out loans. They will not take all the money back to the Feds. Because of
pay their debts.
I did not understand.
It's really strange.
That was really, really, really strange for me. And the climate change. I think
it can be a next pandemic.
It is. Yeah. Rumors, climate change. It will be a next pandemic. It will be the next pandemic. And I've seen videos. I've seen one from Saj when he was showing that blood moon, and Saj 27-1, great channel, guys. Awareness there on the channel. As I'm just mentioning, he recently showed a video where he was showing that the sun. Well, it was a moon. Yeah, it was a moon blood. It's like blood color. It's red in color.
Exactly.
They call it blood moon, something like that. So they said it happened in 2018. It happening again. A lot has been happening in Canada. I've seen another one.
And it's including nature.
Yeah. Yeah, I've also seen another one where the grass, I don't know, maybe people from Canada can confirm this. It's strange. They find it strange that the grass it's dying. It's really dying out.
Yeah.
They finding it very strange. Climate change, I think it's happening.
It's coming
all
soon.
over the country, but I think Canada is also experiencing it and as we speak. So
with that, the manufacture of food will be affected.
Yes, food will not grow. Find it very difficult to grow. Yeah, since I spoke about Canada, I'll show that crinkling. This is the favorite coin, crinkling. Yeah, the cranking, guys. Okay, yeah, I think today's video was just about that.
talking about
Yes.
our thoughts.
Yeah,
and
on
looking
how
at
we see,
things
view things.
around and, yeah.
We are not financial advisors, guys. Let's just be
No,
clear.
not at all.
We're just having a conversation.
Yes, it's on internet.
Yeah, we're just having a conversation, guys.
Yes.
Okay, all right.
We'd like to thank our subscribers.
Really much thanks to our subscribers. Please like and subscribe, especially that like button, guys. It's important.
That's true.
Don't forget it. Please press that like button.
Yes. Go subscribe and check other channels. Subscribe,
please. And we still have a car going on for 400. Almost getting there. We're moving towards that car. Thanks to other channels shouting us out. We really appreciate that
so much.
We appreciate it so much, guys.
It's helping us.
It's really helping us a lot. Okay. All right, I think today's video,
go check the topic that we were talking about. Comment if you wanna add something. We like to learn. That's what,
we like to learn.
That's how we are.
Learning is power.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay, I think, guys, today's video was just about that.
That's true.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.